In the non-too-distant future, the fetish chicks are so fat they don't even have any feet. But don't feel bad for the fat people, because they were so lazy they never used their feet. My name is Captain Retardo, and I'm the type of guy who likes eating a broil every once in a while. I'm a time traveler, just trust me, I can explain it. You know that time traveling thing's in hands for a sleigh? Well, I fell asleep inside of one of those once. I stopped counting after the third time, but it was definitely at least 3 times. Anyways, I'm from the future, and I don't pay for my own drinks, ever.
Nice co-pilot, Mad Max.
I'll kill you.
Do what you have to do. You're a black man, and I respect you. That's the way I look at it.
That guy right there. Yep. That guy did it. Multitasking. I'm eating and making a sandwich at the same time.
I don't. No. I'm the Toastmaster General.
Really? You mad? You mad? You take it, take the safety off, cock it, and you put it in your mouth.
I'm gonna waste this in your face.
What you doing?
I don't know. You don't want to go to the hospital with half your...
Would you rob a salad bar?
What if I did?
Different kind of food imaginable. They got tall grass, they got yellow grass, they got green grass, they got flowers. All the kinds of foods you would want to think of.
Head or your jaw blown off. You want to do a good job. You want to make sure you're...
If you wanted to become a terrorist, join the army.
Don't become a parking ticket cop.
Dead. When you put that... your mouth, you point it up at your brains. Don't be blowing half your face off, you know?
You must be so happy now that you got something to do. The one with the add up. Are you the one with those goats for sale?
Yeah, that's the way I just talked to you.
Oh yeah, cool.
Up here, if you come up here today, not tomorrow, not Monday or Tuesday, I'll go ahead and sell it to you for $200.
Okay, now tell me. All right. I'm about to head out there. I think I can make it before work. Go through a list of the things that are wrong with the truck. So I'm gonna see if I can work this in, because I had the math all done here, and I said the most that I could pay you was $185. For that truck. So, let's see if I can just try and make this work real quick.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Can you tell me what I need to replace on that truck?
I don't know a whole lot about it. I bought it like it is, Captain I know it's missing a rotor in the front.
Oh, there you go. There you go. I don't even. I'll just. You think? Yeah. I won't even. I'll just not replace that rotor in the front. Just take that off of there.
There's no wheel. You gotta have a rotor. Both wheels gotta have something to bolt to.
Well, yeah. I just won't fix the. I'll figure out some way around the rotor. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay.
Hey, amigo.
What's wrong with the engine?
¿Qué pasa?
It's not seized up.
Cuando tu mota?
It's not seized. I don't know if there's anything wrong or if there is something wrong, but I know that it turns burnt. There's no starter. Windshield's cracked. Missing a door. There's no shifter in there for the car. This is made by Kia.
Oh, Kia. Okay, break any legs.
I just got a lot higher now that I smoked that cat.
Give you $200, but you pay for gas.
You're not computing the situation. I came down from $250. $200. That's what I'm gonna do. You got to do it today. If you can't do it today, then it's back up to $250.
$250, and you pay for gas.
When did Fashion start taking Thunder Thigh classes?
I'm not gonna pay for anything.
I'm gonna do it.
How much do you think it would cost in gas to come down there?
I have no idea.
From South
I
Carolina?
don't know where you're at.
Do those dishes. Sorry about giving your girlfriend the clap.
I'm in South Carolina.
All of those dishes, they need to get done.
Alright, I mean, you've driven to Jacksonville before, right?
Yes, that was in my youth when I was there.
Sometimes I get lonely to pictures of your girlfriend, but she's there, so it's not so bad.
Well, I mean, I haven't been to South Carolina but about 3 times myself. I know I went down to Charleston one time. We were going on a cruise, and it was about a 3.5 hour drive.
Three and a half hours.
So,
And I'm driving a Ford Aerostar.
Hate Redskins.
I have no idea where your gas is from.
Okay. Alright, $200.
I'm trying.
$200, that sounds straight.
I just ordered a wife from 3 different countries.
You talking to me?
Yeah.
You waited too long to eat your pets. Now there's not any meat left on the bones.
Alright, I guess I'll head out in maybe like another hour and a half because I gotta go get my kids from school.
If you're wondering where your girlfriend is, she's at my house. And I picked your daughter up from school. You're welcome. Tired of riding the bus? Don't have a car? 16-year-old else. I'll pick you up from school.
So, 6 hours?
I demand a wheelchair ramp everywhere, preferably to the moon.
Give me a call when you're ready to come out here, and I'll give you the address and all that. Give you directions.
I rode my elevator to the sky and it got me high. Or did I get high and ride an elevator to the sky? Or maybe I was never in the sky but I rode an elevator, or maybe I just got high. Cat smoke.
Alright. I'll call you in an hour or two.
I got halfway to the moon and ran out of cats, so I had to come back.
If I can get off work.
Last night your cat died because those guys snapped it. Don't worry, I smoked it afterwards, so I got high.
I appreciate it.
It costs too much to make cartoons, so we use real people.
Who is it?
Who do you think it is? It's Jacobs. Throw it on the fire.
You let your family starve to death because you were too good to feed them your dog.
Recession buddies.
How did you know that he was my own neighbor?
I told the doctor I was tired, and then I stole one of these.
Partying.
Get in your truck and help me get out of here.
Hilarious. That's probably one of the funniest. And look how big the fire is now.
Nope. Hey, come on.
Just because I have legs doesn't mean I have to use them. Without legs, you can become a shipboat captain too, right, Dan?
You gonna go?